in MAUI how to create a circle checkbox. Already we have checkbox which shows in the iPhone it is rounded, but in Android it is rectangle box. But if you want to customize that as all the platform as a circle checkbox, then we have to do rendering for existing checkbox control. But here we can easily use some other control to draw our own way checkbox or radio button or anything. So today we are going to see how to use border, then eclipse, path to create our own checkbox the way we want. Everything we can draw as our wish. Okay, so let's start this. We'll have border control. I have already opened my Visual Studio. Right now let me run this and see. Okay, so it is running. So okay, this is now pure cleaned. So right now I am going to add a border where we can make it easily circle and corner. Okay, I'll take what it is 25, height also 25 for the rounded checkbox. We're going to have, we'll give some center, horizontal also center. We'll give background color something like this, sky blue. Okay, and then I'll put that corner. So how we can draw that? Okay, we have to use stroke. Okay, stroke shape to draw that, and then we'll use round rectangle. Corner we are going to use radius corner. Here we'll have this 25. Okay, let's see how it looks. Yeah, see, we got that rounded checkbox kind of design. Now what we'll do is we can use level text. We can use ASCII code for the right tick, sharp X. Okay, we'll put horizontal center, vertical center, text color we'll put white. Okay, now you can see, so this is the text came. Okay, so you can see now whenever we'll tick this, then only this checkbox has to come that tick. So easily we can do that. We can give a is visibility false now, so it's gone now. So we'll add a tab gesture for the border. Recognizer, tab gesture. Okay, we'll put tapped. Okay, okay. So now we have to give a label name. Take label. Is visible. Okay, so let's rerun and let's see how it looks. See now this no text, you can see this one tick, click and it's gone and coming up. So easily you can create a checkbox, right? You can use the border and label it easily. Now we'll see the path, how we are going to use the path. Now I'll just come into this. Okay, now I'm going to draw my own tick. Okay, how we can draw that using the path? We can do that. Stroke, that should be white. Okay, okay. Now I'm going to give a stroke thickness as 1.5. You can give anything. Let's see how it looks. Okay, now it will not come. So now we need to use path data. We are going to write it, draw it our own line. We can use the path geometry. Okay, and then we can use geometry.figure, figures. Okay, now we are going to use path figure. Okay, we have to starting point, we have to mention it. We have to mention 5 and 11. This is the XY path. We have to just tell that. And now we are going to write the 7. Just let me run this. Okay, I have to come into this because I commented the level control. Okay, so let me draw it, because we didn't draw it, that's why it is coming like this. So now we have to add the path figure, and this segments we have to write. We are starting point, we have started 5 and 11, and then segment we have to write. We will use the polyline segment. We can have lot of poly bizarre segment, which will be graphical point also you can do. So we have a lot of option to draw our own path. Okay, so the line segment, I'm going to take it. Okay, now point we are going to write 10. Okay, 7, then next set 21. Okay, see how it is came. Okay, so now it is came till the round. We can reduce this, we can put it 5, so it will reduce, so it will start like this. Okay, if we put 7, say how this looks now. Correct, we can draw easily whatever we want. Okay, now the same way we will use it. First we'll put it name, and then is visible equal to false. Okay, now it is false. Now rerun. When we'll tab, sorry, we have to uncomment this, rerun, and you can see and this checkbox easily you can customize your own way. So now see, tapping, so easily the way you want, you can change the color the way you want, you can draw this. For example, I want to draw a little bit, you just change the path. Okay, so if you start from here 1, it will change. Okay, drawing pattern will change based on your this starting point and this poly segment point. Okay, see how it is changing, how the point has been changed. So we have to rerun to activate that. Okay, so we have Eclipse to circle that. Okay, see, like this, whatever the way you want, we can just put it. Okay, we can redraw that. See, it's like this. So that's all, friends. I'll come back with another new interesting video where you can draw the Eclipse geometry. You can use anything, the graphical representation. You can draw the heartbeat, the ECG kind of graph. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe it and make me motivated.